Good morning, student. 11 Science English Medium Chapter number 3 Plant Kingdom. Today topic Pteridophytes discuss. The pteridophytes include horseattles and ferns. Means this is a one type of horseattles parts. This is a one type of these ferns. Clear? Pteridophytes are used to the medicinal purpose and as a soil binders. Most probably, these pteridophytes used for this medicinal use for this antibiotic. They are also frequently grow as ornamentals, means decoration of these plants for this different types of function use. Evolutionary, they are the first terrestrial plants possess vascular tissue. Vascular tissue means plant for xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem means contain of water and food. You shall study more about this tissue in chapter number 6. Means chapter number 6 is a discuss for this tissue and tissues types for sclerenchyma, parenchyma, etc. The pteridophytes are found in cool and damp shady places through some may flourish well sandy soil condition. Most probably these plants for this grow for this sandy soil condition. These pteridophytes first is example for Selaginella, second is a equisetum, third is a fern, this fern, and fourth is a Selaginella. Clear? Next, you may recall that in bryophytes, the dominant phase in the life cycle of the gametophytic plant body meets only an haploid, twice an diploid, means gamete is formed, is called zygote, and this is a gametophytic plant body. However, in the pteridophytes, the main plant body, sporophyte, this is a sporophyte, and in inner layer, spore is formed, means sporophyte, and this which is differentiated into true root, stem and leaf. Different between bryophytes and pteridophytes, lack of true root, stem and leaves, and pteridophytes means true root, stem and leaves is a present. Clear? This is the main points of these pteridophytes and these main points of these bryophytes. Clear? And this. Okay. Next point, which is differentiated into true root, stem and leaves means present. This organ possess well differentiated vascular tissue means bundles of xylem and phloem is a present. The leaves in pteridophyta are small. Small means microphyles and macrophyles means Selaginella is a large. Small is an example for microphyles is a pteridophyta and large is a macrophyles is a Selaginella and in ferns. The sporophyte bears sporangia that are substance for leaf-like appendage called sporophytes. And this is a structure of this Selaginella. This is the first is a root is present, stem is present, and leaves is a present, means this is a true root, stem and leaves is a grow in pteridophytes. Second example for equisetum, strobilus means this is a upper layer oristales area. Node means it is a one type of tumor. Internode means this node and this node. This is a distance, it is a internode. And this branch of this equisetum and this is a root is a developed for the rhizome. Third structure is a fern. This is a leafy like structure, and fourth is a salvinia. This is a root is a upper layer leaf is a present, and this is a root is a in soil. Next, the sporophyte bear is a sporophytes is present leaf like structure. In some cases sporophytes may from distinct compact structure called strobili and cones, means this is a cone like structure. this. Clear? This is a Selaginella or Equisectum. The sporangia produce spore by meiosis in spore mother cell. Meiosis is a master cells of this. One cell is a mother cells, and copy to the parent means daughter cells is a one cells to divided by two half cells, means mother cells transfer to the daughter cells. The spore germinate to give rise to incuspations, small but multicellular, free living and mostly photosynthetic thalloid, means this plant is a process of this photosynthetic process. Thalloid gametophyte is called prothallus, means gamete is formed for this reaction of the photosynthesis. These gametophyte require for this atmospheric condition. First is a cool, damp, shady places. These grow, means these types of plants is only for grow area cool, damp, shady places for this grow. Because of this specific restricted requirement and the need for the water for fertilization, the spread of the living petridophytes is limited and the restricted narrow and geographical region, means fertilization is a form for the spread of the petridophytes for limited of narrow and geographical region, means limitation types of spore is formed for this fertilization process. The gametophyte bear male and female sex organs. Male is a antheridia and female sex organ is a archegonia. This is a male and female. Respectively, water is required for the transfer of antherzoids, means the male gametes is released for antheridia, means this is a male cells, and this is a female cells archegonia, to mouth upper for this archegonium, means one type of male is a antheridia and second female is a archegonia. These gametes is fusion of these types of male gametes with the egg present, and archegonium female results in the formation of zygote, means male is a formation only for gamete and female is only for zygote is formed. These zygote thereafter produce multicellular well differentiated sporophyte, which dominant phase, four types phase is a present. First, late, log, stationary and death. This is a dominant phase, means well developed for this sporophyte and differentiate from this multicellular for this zygote for these petridophytes. In majority of these petridophytes, all the spore are similar kinds, which are these plants, such as plants is called homo, means same, homosporous, genera like Selaginella, Salvinia, which produce two kinds of spore. First spore is developed small and second spore is developed large, means big, means small spores is a microspore and large spore is a macrospore. Are known as heterosporous. Heterosporous means male and female spores is a different, and this is a spore is also known as the megaspores, means large, and microspore is a small, germinate and give rise to female and male gametophyte. Respectively, the female gametophyte in these plants are retained on the parent sporophyte and variable periods, means structure this type of this process continue for this step male and female gametophyte formation. The development of zygote into young embryo and take place with these female gametophytes, means parent to daughter. These events precursor to seed habit considered an important step in evolution, means this is a female gametophyte most probably placed for this seed habit and step in evolution for this process. The petridophytes further classified into four classes. First is a Pisolopsida, Pisoloctum. Second is a Lycopsida, Selaginella, Lycopodium, and third is a Spanopsida, equitum, and fourth is a Petunocida, means Drypterids, Pitrids, and Adiantum. This is a complete for this Pteridophytes. First to draw this figure, Pteridophytes, Selaginella, Equitism, Fawn, and Salvinia, and after this different list out in this note 4 class. Clear? Thank you, student.